So I've been waiting to tear down the old S52 because I didn't want the crankshaft just sort of hanging out and getting rust on it until I'm ready basically to start assembling the new motor. So I will be getting a parts video for you guys very soon. I'm just still waiting for like a couple more things to come in, and then you guys will get a parts video. So we're gonna start the assembly on this, and I'm gonna get a new motor pretty soon. We got the Legend helping out today. I'm gonna get this little bucket torn down, bro.
Hell yeah.
And you guys can tell where the head gasket blew. The coolant leak at least. Just freaking nasty.
It's fucked.
It's fucked. This whole thing is just fucked. You want to rip the main crank bolt off?
Yeah. Where's your breaker bar?
That little gun ain't gonna do that, bro.
I know.
Use the big one. Try this one.
Bigger.
Damn, son.
That's it?
That's it? 22? Send it, bro. Good lord. Why is that thing on there so hard?
Well, it's been sitting for a year.
Yeah.
So you want
Well, it's been sitting for fucking like 20 years.
Yeah.
You push in with it and just fucking hit that shit. Jesus Christ.
I loosened it for you.
The 300 fucking pounds of torque on that shit, dude. Dude, that's gonna be so fun to torque. We gotta torque that on this one and on the M50.
We're gonna be standing on that shit.
Dude, we are. Ta-da! Beauty. Look at that. It's totally broken. Oh my god. This timing guide was fucked. And both timing guides were fucked. It's nice.
It's very nice.
Oh, this shit's so dirty. Oh my god. What the fuck? That looks like, I swear that's RTV, bro.
Ceiling level 100.
That's gotta be RTV.
Probably.
Well, probably not gonna be reusing that. That's genuine oil.
Dude, it's got like a sick pattern.
It's because more than half of it's fucking coolant. Give me my oil. Oh, fuck. Yo, that's totally RTV, bro. Why? No wonder it fucking leaked.
Who did this?
Whoever fucking owned my goddamn car last.
Huh?
Hey, my oil pump nut's still on. Fuck yeah. Look at that crank, bro. It's got like a light blue finish to it. Because it's forged.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Here you go.
There it is. Let's get a couple good cracks first.
Somewhere in the 70s.
Yeah. Oh shit, look at that. That's cool. Yeah, so that's the fucking trigger wheel for the crank position sensor. So on the 325, it was up front. I don't know if you remember taking that sensor out.
Yep.
That's fucking cool. I like that. It's just interesting, like, seeing the differences between the M50 and the M52.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because they're like very minor, subtle differences, but it's fucking cool.
It's gonna have bent as fuck extension.
As if enough torque doesn't get put through that thing already doing the fucking manual swaps.
Because we were like stacking extensions for that one.
Busting fucking knuckles on that shit.
Yep.
Oh, the rings are loose. Looks pretty clean.
No, those are cast pistons, right?
Cast pistons, cast rods. Yeah, the only thing forged from factory is the crank. Everything else is cast. Crank journals don't look too bad, aside from the fucking dirt on it.
Yeah.
Still rotates smoothly.
Mm-hmm.
These guys are clean, dude. They're just dirty up top. Remember how the other pistons looked when we got them off?
Yep.
The skirts were all dirty. All the ring lines were nasty as fuck. Oh, it's crowning.
Here it comes.
Ah, push. Oh, it's a boy.
Number 3.
Oh, dude. Now, I'm really hoping we actually find a crack in the cylinder wall.
Yeah.
Like, low-key hoping we find it. Because towards the end of this thing's life, before I pulled it, it was spitting coolant out the exhaust, which is sick, right? Which means either the block is cracked, the head gasket went, or the cylinder head is fucked. I just spent $700 refurbing that cylinder head that's in the car, in the trunk right now. The head gasket was fine, so either I spent $700 on a fucked head, or the block is cracked. See what I mean? Hoping we find a crack in this fucking block.
Yeah.
I remember you and Danny trying to crack head bolts just with a little driver. I was like, yeah.
That sucked.
I was like, yeah, just try and take it off. See what happens. Throw back to the M50 build.
Awkward to get your hand into.
Right.
Not bad at all.
Just dirty, bro. I think it's just dirty.
Where's number 4?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, shit. I'll stick it over here. Throw back to the torque converter. They's just sitting there and it's rusted as fuck.
Yeah. What do I do with the torque converter? I just leave it there.
Just leave it there.
Use like a rig.
This is the piston that's fucked though. So I'm curious to see how fucked it is. If it's just a little fucked or if it's a lot of fucked.
Maybe this is the one that cracked the cylinder wall.
I'm hoping, honestly. I know it's like never a good thing to wish for, but the flex on that extension. Dude, I abuse those extensions.
You really do. But I mean, tools are meant to be used, not looked at.
But they're fucking like $10 each, so I don't even give a fuck.
Yeah.
Dude, I fuck with that freaking tone ring. That thing's sick. And the color of the crank, dude. I'm just like hyped on that right now. It just looks good.
It really does. This is the magic of making BMWs.
Right? This is top of the line, bro.
Yeah.
90s. Is it fucked?
It just might be.
Here, push on it with the extension.
My bad.
Well, if it wasn't fucked before.
It is now.
Yeah, it's really fucked. What a messy engine. Looks like diarrhea. Alright, so now we gotta take it off, put it on the ground, and get the rear main off, which is gonna be fun. There it is. Remains still good.
Looks pretty good.
Not too shabby. What do we have, bro?
Trial of fire, yeah.
We got Little Menace over here. What are you doing, bro?
I'm gonna take these off.
You think you can do it?
Maybe.
Alright, Little Menace is gonna try and crack some mains. We'll see how well this goes. Let's see what you got, bro.
Okay.
Let's see what you got. Alright, take it off, bro. Take it off, bro. Oh, oh, oh.
I need to get my foot hooked on something because it's sliding.
Oh, oh, there it is. Not bad, kid. Not bad. Alright, crack the other one. Crack it? No, the one next to it.
Oh, yeah.
On the adjacent journal, yeah. Oh, there it is. Not bad, kid. Not bad. Oh, don't strip them, bro.
Sorry.
Don't strip them. Wreck the bolts I'm never going to use again.
Hasn't seen the sun for 20 years.
I don't even think it's ever seen the sun.
Probably not.
We built this factory. Fucking so weird. It looks good though. Oh fuck. Dude, look at that.
Ooh.
Oh shit. Fuck, do you see that?
I do.
Damn.
Crack.
That is a cracked block, bro. Damn. That's fucking nuts, dude. I've never seen that.
Problem.
At least I know the fucking cylinder head's good. The
Yeah.
cylinder head is fucking good.
Yeah.
I'm bummed but hyped at the same time. Dude, you can feel it. That's fucking nuts. So there's one right there. And there's another right there if you guys can see that. Alright, so I got my engine stand back. We got the motor all torn down, which is sick, so I can have an engine stand to use when I get my new motor, which I should be getting fairly soon, and then we're going to strip that down. But it was freaking nice to see that the block was cracked, and I know that's usually like a thing that's really bad. But before I tore this car apart, the last time I had it running, it was spitting raw coolant out the exhaust, which is freaking bad, right? And it was either the cylinder head, the head gasket, or the block. The aluminum heads tend to crack more than the blocks, so I spent like $700, and the guy told me the head was good, but in the back of my mind I was always kind of hesitant because the heads crack a lot easier than the blocks do, and the head gasket was fine when I pulled it off, so I was always kind of suspicious about the cylinder head, but now I know it was a block, which is freaking nice. So now I have there's so much relief going on right now that the cylinder head is fine, which is freaking... Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.